Did you know people are making thousands every week just by logging into the multiverse? This isn't sci-fi, it's happening right now. The multiverse is a massive, shared virtual world where you can play, create, socialize, and most importantly, earn real money. Think of it like a video game, but the stuff you own and the cash you make are 100% real. In this video, I'll break down the 6 most powerful, surprisingly simple ways regular people are getting rich in these virtual worlds. By the end, you'll have a step-by-step blueprint to start your own multiverse empire. Let's dive in. Before you can start earning in the metaverse, you need to pick your playground. Think of it like choosing the right city to move to. Each one has its own culture, opportunities, and hidden gems. The multiverse is vast, and your first step is to find the world that matches your ambitions and talents. Not all multiverses are created equal. Each platform offers a unique experience, a different community, and its own way to make money. Some are bustling with millions of users, while others are just starting to grow, offering early adopters a chance to shape the future. The biggest players right now? Roblox, Decentraland, The Sandbox, and Meta's Horizon Worlds. These are the heavyweights, each with their own strengths and quirks. Let's break down what makes each one special, and how you can carve out your own goldmine. Roblox is a giant. Its creator economy pays out millions to developers every year. If you can design games, build interactive experiences, or even just create cool 3D items, this is your ticket. Roblox is home to a massive young audience hungry for new content, and the tools are beginner-friendly but powerful enough for pros. Decentraland is for digital real estate moguls and creative entrepreneurs. Here you can buy virtual land, build anything from art galleries to nightclubs, and monetize your creations. The currency, Mana, is a real cryptocurrency that trades on major exchanges, so your virtual hustle can turn into real-world profits. The Sandbox is a creative haven. Imagine Minecraft meets blockchain. You can design assets, build games, and turn your creations into NFTs to sell on the marketplace. If you love pixel art, game design, or experimenting with new tech, the Sandbox is your playground. Meta's Horizon Worlds is the new kid on the block, but with Meta's billions behind it, it's growing fast. Early adopters have a chance to shape the community, build popular worlds, and maybe even become the next big influencer in VR. So, how do you choose? Start by thinking about your skills and passions. Are you a gamer who loves exploring and competing? A developer who wants to build the next viral game? An investor looking for digital land grabs? Or an artist ready to showcase your work in a new medium? There's a platform for every type of creator. Don't just read about these worlds, dive in, spend a day exploring each platform, walk around, interact with the community, and get a feel for the vibe. Notice which platform excites you, where you see opportunities, and which one feels like home. Don't just chase hype or follow the crowd. The best fit is the one that matches your talents and interests. Make a checklist of what matters to you: community size, creative tools, earning potential, or even just the fun factor. Roblox is perfect if you want to build for a huge active audience. Decentraland is ideal for those who want to invest, develop, and own a piece of the digital frontier. The Sandbox is for creators who want to design, build, and sell unique digital assets. And if you love being on the cutting edge, Horizon Worlds is your chance to get in early and help shape what's next in social VR. Remember, your first mission is to pick your world wisely. The right choice will set the stage for everything you do next: your projects, your network, and your earning potential. Take your time, do your research, and trust your instincts. The multiverse is full of possibilities, but your journey starts with a single choice. In the next chapter, we'll dive into the most fun way to start making money, no matter which platform you choose. Get ready to unlock your earning potential. Ready? Let's turn playtime into payday. Your adventure in the multiverse is just beginning. Welcome to Play to Earn, where you get paid to have fun, play games, complete quests, win battles, and earn cryptocurrency or NFTs with real-world value. Axie Infinity is a prime example. Players earn more than average salaries just by playing. In the Sandbox, complete quests and earn sand tokens. The key: find games with strong communities and stable economies. Research before you jump in. Start by acquiring the necessary assets. Sometimes you can even borrow them through scholarship programs. Learn the game's mechanics, optimize your strategy, and treat it like a real job. Top players build real income streams. Some even manage teams of players. Many in-game items are NFTs you truly own and can sell for real money. Your mission? Pick a play-to-earn game, join its community, learn from the best, and start tracking your earnings. This is your first step into the multiverse economy. Next, we'll level up from playing to actually owning a piece of the world. Let's go! Now, let's talk about making money by owning the multiverse, virtual real estate. Imagine a world where you can own land not just in your city or country but in a digital universe that never sleeps. This is the new frontier, where the rules of real estate are being rewritten and anyone with vision and curiosity can stake their claim. Platforms like Decentraland and The Sandbox let you buy parcels of land as NFTs. These digital plots are unique, blockchain verified, and can be traded just like physical property. Each parcel is a blank canvas waiting for your creativity or investment strategy. Once you own a plot, you can build anything you want. Virtual homes, businesses, art installations, or even entire neighborhoods. You can rent out your land to others, host events, or simply hold on to it as its value grows. The possibilities are limited only by your imagination. Flipping is simple: buy low, sell high. Just like in the real world, the value of virtual land can skyrocket if you buy in the right place at the right time. Some early adopters have already made fortunes by spotting trends and acting fast. Look for plots near big brands or popular events. Virtual land next to digital headquarters of major companies or close to venues hosting concerts and conferences often becomes highly sought after. These locations attract more visitors, which can drive up demand and prices. Browse official marketplaces, check price trends, and spot undervalued areas. Study the maps, compare prices, and look for patterns. Sometimes a plot that seems overlooked today could be the next hotspot tomorrow. Want to be active? Develop your land. Build stores, galleries, nightclubs, or amusement parks. The more engaging and unique your development, the more visitors you'll attract, and the more valuable your property becomes. Rent them out or charge entry fees. You can create a steady stream of passive income by leasing your virtual spaces to businesses, artists, or event organizers. Some landowners even host exclusive parties or exhibitions, charging for access. Not a developer? No problem. Hire virtual architects and designers to bring your vision to life. There's a growing gig economy of digital creators who specialize in building stunning virtual environments, so you don't need to be a tech wizard to get started. Real example, Metaverse Group bought land in Decentraland's fashion district for $2.4 million to host virtual fashion shows. This isn't just a game, it's a serious business with real money and real opportunities for those who get in early. Start small, find affordable plots or pool money with friends. You don't need millions to get started. Many successful investors began with modest purchases, learning the ropes and scaling up as they gained experience. Your mission? Analyze Decentraland and Sandbox maps, identify undervalued plots, and train your eye for deals. Watch for new developments, upcoming events, and changes in the virtual landscape that could signal rising value. You don't have to buy yet. Just learn to spot opportunities. Practice evaluating listings, track price movements, and build your confidence. When the right deal comes along, you'll be ready to act. This is how you build your virtual real estate empire. With patience, research, and a bit of creativity, you can turn digital land into a powerful asset, one that could grow in value as the metaverse expands. Next, we'll unlock the secrets of flipping NFTs for insane profits. Ready to level up? The digital frontier is wide open. Your journey as a virtual land baron is just beginning. Let's talk NFTs, the digital collectibles making headlines and shaking up the art and tech worlds. In just a few years, NFTs have gone from obscure blockchain experiments to a global phenomenon with artists, celebrities, and investors all jumping in. But what exactly are NFTs, and how are people flipping them for insane profits? NFTs, or non-fungible tokens, are digital certificates of ownership for unique items. Think art, music, in-game assets, and even virtual real estate. Unlike regular cryptocurrencies, each NFT is one of a kind, making them perfect for digital collectibles and rare assets. The basic strategy is simple. Buy undervalued NFTs, hold on to them as demand and hype grow, and then sell for a profit. But timing is everything. The NFT market is volatile, with prices swinging wildly based on trends, celebrity endorsements, and even memes. The market moves at lightning speed. One day you could see huge gains, the next, prices might crash. It's a high-risk, high-reward game, and fortunes can be made or lost in a matter of hours. To get ahead, you need to be plugged in. The NFT community lives on Twitter and Discord, where new projects are announced, rumors spread, and alpha leaks happen. Researching here can give you a crucial edge. Look for projects with strong original art, a clear and ambitious roadmap, and a passionate, engaged community. These are the signs of a project with staying power, not just a quick cash grab. Take Bored Ape Yacht Club, for example. What started as a quirky collection of digital apes quickly became a cultural icon, with celebrities and influencers joining the club. Early buyers didn't just get cool art, they scored exclusive perks, access to private events, and for some, life-changing profits as the value of their NFTs skyrocketed. To get started, you'll need a crypto wallet like MetaMask and some Ethereum, since most NFTs are bought and sold on the Ethereum blockchain. Marketplaces like OpenSea, Rarible, and Foundation are where the action happens. Be a detective, dig into the project's founders, read the white paper, join the Discord, and see how active and genuine the community is. The more you know, the better your chances of spotting a winner. Getting in early is key. The minting phase, when NFTs are first released, or just after launch, is often when prices are lowest and potential gains are highest. But beware, not every project will moon. Diversify your NFT portfolio and never invest more than you can afford to lose. The NFT space is full of opportunity but also risk, so play smart and protect your capital. Here's your mission. Create an NFT-focused Twitter account, join at least 5 project Discords, and start analyzing projects. Look for one with real potential, strong team, unique vision, and a buzzing community. This is how you spot the next 100x gem before the rest of the world catches on. It takes research, patience, and a bit of luck, but the rewards can be massive. Once you've mastered flipping NFTs, you can even turn your skills into a career, helping projects grow, managing communities, or creating your own digital art. Ready to freelance in the future? The multiverse is waiting. Let's go! Want a stable income? The multiverse needs your skills right now. Virtual freelancing is booming. 3D modelers, game devs, event planners, fashion designers, community managers, and more. Not just techies, artists, writers, salespeople, and even virtual real estate agents are in demand. Find gigs on Upwork, Fiverr, or directly in project Discords. Show your value, network, and opportunities will come. Build a portfolio, design a building, create a wearable NFT, write a game quest, show what you can do. Create a simple website or PDF to showcase your skills. Your mission: identify your marketable skill, find 3 relevant job listings, and see how you can apply your talent in the multiverse. The opportunities are endless. Next, let's unlock true financial freedom, passive income. Ready to make money while you sleep? Let's go! Now, the holy grail, passive income in the multiverse. Rent out your virtual land or valuable game assets for steady crypto payments. Use scholarship programs. Lend your assets, let others play, and split the earnings. Develop automated businesses, virtual galleries, billboards, or event spaces that run themselves. Stake your NFTs or tokens to earn daily rewards. Create NFTs with built-in royalties. Earn a cut every time your asset is resold. Invest in multiverse-focused DAOs or index funds for diversified hands-off profits. The key: build systems that work for you, not the other way around. Your mission: pick one passive income method, outline the steps to set it up, and set a clear target. This is the final step to unlocking multiverse riches. Ready for your next move? Let's wrap it up. Here's how to get started today. This is real. The multiverse is here and fortunes are being built right now. You've got the blueprint: pick your platform, play to earn, own land, flip NFTs, freelance, and build passive income. The only thing left is to start. Don't look back in 5 years wishing you had. Smash like, comment your questions, and subscribe for more secret strategies.